common thing new Procreate users get stuck with is how to install custom brushes. It usually involves downloading a zip file and extracting the contents before you can use the brushes with Procreate. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. If you purchased a brush set online from an artist or a marketplace, you'll usually receive a confirmation email with a link to download the zip. So you just tap on the link in the email and you'll get this dialog box saying, do you want to download? Just tap download and you can see this little icon in the top right here. This shows you the progress of the download. Give it a little time. It does take a little longer on an iPad than it would on your desktop. It'll also depend on how big the file size is and your internet connection as well. There's a few other zips in this particular download that I'm using to demo from. It's my glitter and foil pack for Procreate, and there's other textures and files batched into several zip files to make it easier to download. And this is number 4 for the brushes. So when it's finished downloading, I can tap on it here and it'll take me directly into my downloads folder in iCloud. So this is the file that we downloaded here, and I just tap on it to extract the zip. So you'll see it opens the zip file and creates another folder here. When I tap into that folder, here are all my brush set files. If you wanted to keep things organized, you can actually move that file to another location by pressing select. And then you select file you want to move and then choose move, and that'll allow you to navigate to a different location. So if you want to keep things tidy, that's how you would move it. Now to open the brush set, you just simply tap on the file. It brings you into this importing screen and then opens Procreate. So we can come into our brush library and you'll see G&F Confetti 3D. That was the file that we just opened there. So it always puts your brush sets at the top of your brush library. So you'll find anything that you open there. Just say it hung on that imported screen for you. You might have downloaded it a different way or just put them on your iCloud. They might not be downloaded. So if you see that little icon on iCloud, you'll probably get a screen like this for a very long time. If that's the case, that worked quite well, but you might not see it like that. You might see it hanging for a while. What you can do is hold down on the file and choose download, and that will download it locally to your iPad. So it'll just make it a bit quicker. So I can just go ahead from this set and just open the next brush set again, just to illustrate that. And then it's importing, and then we have G&F effects. So this is the glitter and foil effects to use with the 3D brushes. So that's downloaded that brush set, great as well. So there's more brush sets in there, but at least that just shows you how to do it. So what happens if you want to load an individual brush? Let's see how that's different. So if I go back into files, I've got a brush in here that we can look at. So copperplate.brush. So a dot brush is an individual file, and dot brush set is a brush sets hold multiple files. So I've just opened a dot brush, and if we go into the brush library here, and there's always going to be a default folder in your set called imported, you'll see there's copperplate. A single individual brush file is imported into this imported folder, and that's where you'll find them. So I hope this video helped you with installing custom brushes. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment and like on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.